Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this WAVLINK, and it's a USB-C triple display docking station, okay? So let's just see what we can connect right here. Okay, so this one is big. The manual of instructions and also with driver download links in case that you need to for any Windows or Apple devices. Okay, here it is. It's really kind of regular size. It's not too small and it is not huge, but it's big enough. Okay, so I will recommend you using this for your desktop where you don't move a lot. These can feed two HDMIs right here, 1 and 2, and also a USB-C right here. So this HDMI is for 60 Hertz and this one is for 30 Hertz. Okay, this is also the PD, which is 100 watts. And right here we have the audio or microphone connector. You have also a USB 2 right here, a couple of them, USB 2. And these ones are 480 megabytes per second, these two. The couple of USB 3 will be up to 5 gigabytes per second as well, and you have a micro SD card port and an SD card port as well. Also, you have right here an RJ45 connector or port, which will give you up to 1 gigabyte per second, and also a PD, also an DP of 4K at 60 Hertz right here. So you can plug in here the cable to the power outlet and you can connect your laptop through here as well. So connect the power outlet, let's say that you plug in the cable from the power outlet. So I'm gonna show you how to set up this with a couple of monitors, and here is the USB cable. It is long enough so you can have it there and connect everything up. Now let's test out this device and connect a few other devices to this so we can connect it to the computer. In this case, my Mac only has 2 USB-C ports, so I'm gonna be connecting these directly to my computer right here. And here we are, we connect this right here, accessory. Now I'm going to connect 2 monitors right here through the HDMI cable. I'm gonna connect first this one, which belongs to this monitor right here, this one. So I'm gonna connect it right here, and here it is. Let's wait for it. Here it is. This is the first HDMI. Now I'm going to connect the other monitor right here, which is this one, to this baby as well, which is the second HDMI. So as you can see, we have both monitors, 1, 2, and my third monitor, which is my laptop right here connected. And then again, you have also the USB-C to connect it. I'm first going to add this SD card so you can see that this one can be added right here as well. So here it is. So here you can see that we have the SD card right here, which is this one. And here is my second monitor, my first monitor, and my laptop, all connected through this baby right here, HDMI. Now I am going to connect this hard drive as well, which is USB here, this one. Here I have these, and I'm gonna connect this charger so it can pass power through this device as well. So this is the cable that we have right here, and let's see if it starts charging. Here it is. I am connecting everything through this baby, which is power, 2 monitors, an SD card, a hard drive, which is USB, and you can also connect these other two, but I don't have one, so you can connect the internet through here as well and use these other ports as well. And you still have an extra port, USB-C port right here. And here is an extended monitor as well. Also, I can connect this keyboard through these. This is USB 2. Here it is, the keyboard connected. So here we have the keyboard connected to this one, and it's turned on here.